Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Nancy. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me?
An app called.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my Sunday. I have been in bed all morning. I've just been resting because this weekend Amkhalang was with her dad. So I just gave myself time to just, relax. So I decided, let me spend my Sunday with you. I didn't go to church today. I woke up late, just relaxing basically. So right now it's 12 o'clock. I already had breakfast and all of that, but I think now it's time for me to wake up and be a little bit productive and just get ready for tomorrow. It's Monday, it's gym time, it's work time. I have to be in mommy mode. So everything is really sharp. So good morning. I hope you guys are having a good Sunday. So let's spend our Sunday together. A little Sunday reset.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, called me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for tomorrow with you. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love.
I'm finally done, so I'm finally done. I decided to go with this denim dress. It's a bit cloudy outside, so I don't know what this weather is like. I don't know what to wear for this weather, but I feel like this is the perfect, because it's not cold, but it's not hot. My boobs don't even fit in this thing. And like this thing, Lona, I don't know. I don't know if I should cut it. My boobs are not hard. So yeah, I think this is my fit for the day. My makeup is just very simple, very clean. That's the look that I wanted to go for. I don't know if the rings are too much. Should I just keep one ring and just have like a bracelet on this side and one ring? It's kind of like too much going on. Or maybe I should take the ring out and just keep like the earrings and just this. Let me take it out. What should I? It's so pretty, it's so cute. It's just the earring. Thinking I should cook, make some chicken, some veggies, and like bananas and mash, like mashed potato, chicken, and some veggies. Just something simple and quick. But also get a bit of rice. So I don't know. Let's hope I don't have social anxiety when I have to when I actually have to vlog outside. Because sometimes like people will stare at you like, what is she doing?
When the time comes, you will need to make important calls with your 200 Rand at 5538. Clientele Life is an authorized FSP.
Hi guys, I am back. So I know I had said I will vlog inside the shop, but honestly there was just too much going on for me to do that. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. It's not much, honestly. I got some big bag of potatoes, and then I also got some cranberry juice. I got my green tea because my tummy has been feeling a bit weird. Like I just want to do like toilet hand. So I think the green tea will help. And then I got some onions. I don't want to buy a lot anymore because it's really hot and sinakas. And then I just got some apple, which looks very questionable. It looks fine, but it's very alright.
Let's try the next
And then I got myself some wine. I really need this today.
one.
I'm just gonna put that in the fridge. And then I just got some bread.
Great.
Just some of that.
Just keep on spilling.
And then
What?
just some oil, apples,
Apples. That's great.
bananas,
Bananas. I
and
love
cucumber. I've been so obsessed with cucumber lately. And
cucumber. Disgusting.
a yogurt.
A yogurt.
So that's all I
A yogurt strawberry.
These were actually 100 rand.
A yogurt
100 rand for
strawberry.
these 18
A
papers.
yogurt
So I got that,
strawberry.
and
A
yeah,
yogurt strawberry. A yogurt strawberry.
Feeling far away, but I'm close to you. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man like you should lie. With him, there's hope for tomorrow. With him, there's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this.
hi guys. So I just finished taking a shower with Amkhalang. I washed her hair. I washed my hair yesterday, so I'm good. But yeah, I'm just I'm running out of breath because steps. Just want to make something quick. It was a fella petty, honestly, like nothing special. Nothing special. That's just what I'm gonna do. And then I want to braid her hair. And I think that's it. I cut her nails. So I think I'm just gonna braid her hair ube neaty for the week. And then get brush fellow saying cause my diwati saying I can't this coming week. I can't. So give it it's a fella hairstyle looking get like on a fellow more brush I was saying. And yeah, it is so hot up here. I want to go downstairs. Yo, it's so hot. Mare, so far so good. It's been a productive day.
Walking all alone on this weary road, heavy burdens on my shoulders.
I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Think I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No, don't hold no right. Yeah. Good against Milliners, nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga can't play when I'm coming for the kitty, got my phone goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We up what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me down, but you wanna love me down. You can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Put you on the pussy like a button, keep on laughing. Still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you beat? Peace. That's all Hello,
Hi, how are you?
good in yourself?
I'm good. Is there anyone who can assist us to bring our bags?
Oh, okay. Where are your bags? You already know.
Yes, we forgot our bags.
I said to the supervisor, this one, I was like, hello.
Oh no.
Okay, I'll send someone.
Thank you so much. Yes, look at the view. Very cool. This is beautiful. Views right now. So guys, anyway, it is a Saturday today. It is a Saturday afternoon. We are about to go. We arrived today, actually. We arrived very early today, but it was so chaotic. There was so much going on. I definitely could not vlog. Maar hey, here we are. Here we are. We have arrived. It's gonna be a fun week. We are spending the week in Durban, and I can't wait to experience this moment and journey with you guys. I am so excited. I am 3 or 4 savannas in. I just show Maria. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Come on. I'm here with my mommy. Another mommy and daughter vacation. Period. So yeah, guys, you know what? Let's just enjoy the vibe. Tomorrow. Let's just enjoy the vibes. Okay, this is my outfit of the day. We're wearing this green mini. Ma? Cat. We're wearing these sandals from Woolies. I don't like this. I'm gonna ask them if I can take this out. I don't like it. But anyway, we have cute little ring, some earrings, and we have our hair down for the day. You see? Mara, this dress is a little bit big. It's a little bit big, but we're gonna work with it. We are gonna work with it. Kitty, we're gonna go watch the match. We're gonna show the match wa Chiefs to the Pirates downstairs. It already started. My dress is so wrinkled, but it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. And I get off for request. So we're just gonna go downstairs. We are so hungry, Mala Aisha, at this point. So let's just go downstairs and eat.
Faut que je dis même qu'il est agressif, il dit on a du jeu, il faut dire. Making a lot of
How's your food? We love it.
I'm hungry.
Show the people you're hungry. Show the people how good the food is. So good. I'm sorry. I know we're hungry. The food. How's your food? The food is so good. I ordered a spicy pasta penny pasta, spicy penny pasta. It's really good. I also ordered a Long Island, very strong. That's what I requested. Mama is having the chicken schnitzel with the cheese sauce and the chips. Very good. 10 out of 10.
And the cranberry.
And the cranberry juice. Yeah.
After 7. After 7.